Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve too many operations on Roblox, you should just go to settings here. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on Roblox and you can click here. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.